We are reviewing the TD1 Mate B. It comes in a box. Everything that you receive is laid out on the table. You have an instruction guide that you carefully go over. Read the details about how to use your product. This product is for cars, houses with hard floors, carpentry, stairs. You can do ceiling fans, air conditioners, and more. We're going to show you how to charge the unit. It's very simple indeed. You have a charging cable, adapter, plug it in, plug this end into an outlet. It is best to plug in the battery while it's in the unit, while there is a battery indicator showing you that it is charging. While the unit is charging, we're going to go over the parts. You're given hardware. You're giving the mounting bracket, match on the left or right hand side, screw on the bottom, place on to the wall that you can place on your attachments like so. You're given 2 cleaners. Don't throw them away, clean them, reuse them. You have a third one in the machine. We're going to show you how to get to it and change them out. This is a cleaning tool and a cutter. It has a brush and a razor blade on this particular point. It's a multi-tool. We have a cleaning chute with the brush for the cars, stairs, corners, and whatnot. Press the button to release and snap in. We have a large roller and we have a small roller, 4 to 10 inches. One has a little red window and for the floors, stairs, and whatnot. And we have one that is black and is a window and adjustable in every angle. This one's for all your floors, living rooms, anywhere in the house. While this one, you could go into the carpentry, you could go into furniture, your car, whatnot. We have the chute from 16 inches all the way up to 2.5 feet. It has a clip that opens up. We have the main unit. We have the battery release button. We have an on and off and modes. An increase, decrease, and a light. The LED lights located in the front. The filters located on the top underneath this part. The release door is located in the front over here. Over the garbage can, press to release. Snap close, as simple as that. And over here, there is a button. You're going to press on the button, hold it down. You're going to grab the unit like so, and it slides off real easy. You can see the mechanism over here and the little notch on top. In order to reinstall, you're going to look for the mechanism on top, feel for it, snap on. It takes a few tries to do it, but once you do it correctly, it will lock into place. Comes off 1, 2, 3. You're going to remove the filter and you're going to grab the top and you're going to clean out with the brush. You have holes on top and you have holes on the side and a big hole on the bottom. Let's place everything back on. Give it a little push. Make sure it's nice and firm. Everything locks in. Covered up. Matched up in a notch. Snap on. And we're ready to vacuum. We have the option to do stairs like so. Inside a car, which we will demonstrate. And to quick release, press the silver button and pull out like so. You're then able to take the long extension on, snap in, put the main head on, and then extend to the height you need, and add in the battery when it's fully charged to the unit by sliding on. And if you ever need to release the battery, on here there's a little button that you press to release. To turn the unit on is simply hitting the on button. It lights up. You can see all the information here. There is a light. Different speeds. and the light. It tells you the amount of time, 11:32, and the battery power. Look inside the window. You can see all the information provided. I stand 6 feet tall. This is comfortable. If you're a little shorter, you can lower it down. We have a screw on the floor. We have a green light on the front. We have a blue light here. It picks up anything in there. It has an adjustable head for hard wooden floors. Taking off the main head, putting on the brush, putting on the main stick, making sure we're open wide. And we can clean the ceiling fan. Carpeting floor. Wooden floors, ceramic floors. Take off the arm, over the garbage can, press the button. You don't have to touch, and repeat for your next vacuum. The TD1 Mate 2 is a quiet machine, as we can hear the 3 speeds running from low, medium, and high. It starts off at 80 default. Now when we hit the on button, we're at the 40, 80, 120. The machine has 6 gears: 0, 40, 80, 120, 150, and automatic. If the machine ever gets clogged, within 7 seconds, it'll flash, blink, and the blockage will go to the automatic mode. This machine is, again, pretty quiet, very easy to operate. It's lightweight and opens up pretty long to grab anywhere you need to go. If you need to do your car like so, or bring the arm out real long, it will reach up on the ceiling, clean the ceiling fan and air conditioner, and more. If the battery gets low, you'll get a flashing indicator. That means it's time to charge. It'll take a number of hours to recharge the battery for the next use. The battery indicator is in 4 levels: 25, 50, 75, and 100%. The indicator will not be seen on the battery separate plugging it into a charger. It will only be seen when plugged into the unit charging or with the unit in the on state. You'll see different types of colors when the unit runs. Speed 1 is red. The next speed is green. And we have blue. If you're looking for a vacuum cleaner that will do a nice job cleaning your car, stairwell, the TD1 Mate 2 does a nice job cleaning any of the carpets, hard floors, hard to reach areas. If you're looking for a vacuum cleaner, this vacuum cleaner may be right for you.